Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Log out of the Facebook app and restart your phone. Then, log into Facebook again. Sometimes, this can fix your app problem. Check your Android or iOS system and upgrade it if there's a new update available. 22 October 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
In Settings, find and tap on Apps, Application Manager or Installed Apps depending on your phone. Find and tap on Facebook. Now tap on Clear Cache and Clear Data. Check if that fixed your problem. If not, you can also try uninstalling the updates or completely removing the app and then installing it again. 28 May 2018.
Let's help you make your mark.
Mastodon is a free, open-source social network. When it launched, it was presented as an open-source Twitter competitor, but as people are leaving Facebook, it's being used the same way you would Facebook, which makes it a really good alternative to Facebook.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.